Now, your pinpoint forecast with meteorologist Cedric Haynes.
Good evening, Southwest Louisiana. As we take a look at Storm Vision 7 HD radar, it was very active earlier today. As you know, we started off the morning with scattered showers and thunderstorms. In fact, some of you probably woke up to some of that thunder and lightning out there very early this morning. But the good news is, as we check out Storm Vision radar right now, you can see if you're heading on 10, heading over towards the east, towards Lafayette, or heading down towards south, towards Cameron Parish, looks like the weather's going to be very nice. I would keep an eye out to an isolated shower along the coast there if you're going to be in Cameron Parish. There is an isolated shower that's hanging out there. Right now it's offshore, but it's something to keep an eye on. Otherwise, you can see on the radar picture, everything looks nice and dry. Let's take a look at what we got going on currently out there with our weather watchers right now, calling in some warm temperatures, but they're actually not too bad. If you've been outside this evening, have a nice little breeze that's coming in out there. And I was outside earlier walking around Lakeshore area there, and it was actually a very nice time out there this evening. So as you can see, temperatures in the mid-70s, 75 Sugartown, 76 Moss Bluff, and Deatonville. You got a temperature down there 79. You had a pretty good shower and thunderstorm called in by Keith earlier today down there in Deatonville. There dropped quite a bit of rain. Also in Moss Bluff had quite a bit of rain as well with a thunder shower that moved across the area earlier tonight. But again, temperatures out there right now are very comfortable into the low to mid-70s out there. 76 right now here in the city, 79 in Sulphur, and 75 over in Chenault. So overall, the weather is very nice. But what's not very nice with those warm or nice temperatures out there is the dew points. All this muggy, humid air that's still situated across southwest Louisiana, and it's not really going to be going anywhere anytime soon. 72-degree dew point there in DeRidder right now, 73 in Oakdale. That's just some very humid and tropical air. That tropical air is going to be around tomorrow, and this is what's going to be kind of driving our forecast here. This is going to be kind of the fuel, as we'd like to say, to sparking those showers and thunderstorms, and the trigger or the main energy that's going to force this moisture up to create those showers and thunderstorms. That'll be an upper level disturbance that'll be moving through, and that's going to create those scattered showers and storms. You can see that on the satellite radar composite. Here's this disturbance that we had right over the state of Louisiana earlier today. That's pushing on off towards the east. Now we're watching to the west and Texas right now. Here's our next disturbance, and some of these showers and thunderstorm activity will be dropping across our state coming up for us on our Friday. So we'll expect to see more scattered showers and storms, and that will probably continue with at least a slight chance throughout the weekend. So here's your future cast, and you can see we'll start off the day pretty nice. A little clouds coming up for tomorrow morning. Also may see a little bit of patchy fog out there, especially around the waterway areas. But then as we go throughout the day, notice that frontal boundary and that moisture starts developing and interacting with the daytime heating, so we see scattered showers and storms developing, and I think that will be the case continuing throughout tomorrow evening. Then they'll fade out as we go throughout tomorrow night, so you'll start your Saturday off looking pretty nice and dry, as normal, unless you're along the coast where you may see a few scattered showers and storms. And then as we go throughout the afternoon on Saturday, we'll see a few more of these afternoon isolated showers and storms developing, as that energy will still be in place across the Louisiana area. So for tonight, 72 degrees, mostly cloudy skies out there, and yes, that humidity will still be out there. It will stay muggy. Low temperatures dropping down to around 72 degrees, and then your forecast for your Friday, afternoon storms will return, but before that, I think we'll have a hot and humid early part of the day before those showers and storms start developing, and they will be scattered, so not everyone will see those scattered showers and storms. And here's your extended forecast, showers and storms continuing right on through the weekend, and then as we head towards next week, we're going to be seeing scattered showers and thunderstorms out there, but the chances will be decreasing a little bit. But when it's not raining, it's going to be hot and humid, so if you don't like the humidity, well, maybe a few problems out there, but otherwise, the weather's not too bad. But those afternoon times, you're going to want to have that umbrella with you.
All right, Cedric, thanks a lot for filling in for me.
Oh, yes, no problem.
Tonight. Well, forces of nature collide in Game 2 of the NBA Finals tonight.
Indeed, it sounds a little bit like our good friend Cedric's forecast right now. The Thunder grabbed the upper hand in the championship series opener. Good to LeBron James and company. Even the odds in the second go-round. We'll have an update. Plus, Louisiana swashbuckler quarterback carousel takes another turn when 7 News Nightcast rolls on.
The 7 Storm Team Weather Watcher Network is sponsored by Mark Dodge Chrysler Jeep.